Hello, Osman, and this is an example of doing evacuations around some natural hazards. So, a quick Google on your email says that maybe you're up around Islamabad. So, we're going to come into Pakistan and just north of Islamabad and look at maybe the Khanpur Dam here. And it looks like you have some communities here. And we're looking at ideas of like in Uttabad when you had a landslide dam. Maybe we'll do something similar around Khanpur Dam here. And basically you have elevation and then roads in here. So one of the things you can do in Netlogo is bring in the elevation. I'll be showing this in AgentScript and JavaScript, but it's the same idea. So you can bring in your elevation files and make and use that for flooding. And what we'll do here is, and in Netlogo, you can bring in with import drawing or pcolors your map information. And with OpenStreetMap data, you can get the roads. And what we're going to do is put some turtles on the roads here, and that'll have the lane information. And we can kind of look at how these guys are moving around as they're following the roads. And I'll put some more cars around here. So think about doing this with the turtles and the links. And we can then look at different events. So with the elevation, you can do things like a dam break. So imagine we have a dam break up around in here. How is that going to flood the area, right? So that's coming downhill, and think about the evacuation. And let me get rid of that flood. And here's now as these cars are moving here, another thing you could do is come in and put an evacuation area in Netlogo. So I'm going to maybe have these people here evacuate out in this direction, and think about how you would go from this area and then route people in this direction, right? Other emergencies you could have, if we have, say, a fire, let's start a fire over in here. And this would just be patches and having a wind vector and how is that moving, or things like smoke could affect your evacuation. So just giving you an idea of what can you do with as you start to bring GIS into Netlogo and affect the evacuation. And that's it.